Today we're getting started on the new grow room. Also, we're gonna take a look at the garden. And first, we're gonna take off all these decals. You see all that decals on the wall? Yeah, I want them gone. So we're just gonna set you guys up on time lapse and get to work. Break time, folks. Now, if you're wondering who put all those dang stickers on the wall, that would be me, folks. I got a little carried away. Unfortunately, I just made a little more work for myself. Union break number 4. As you can see, folks, where the paint has been peeling and bubbling since I took the stickers off, we're simply just gonna take this putty knife, scrape off all the loose paint, and we're gonna put some drywall mud on it, sand it down, and hopefully give it a coat of paint. Stand by, folks. We'll put you in warp speed. Okay guys, it is the next day and I let the drywall mud dry overnight so we can sand it down today and give it a coat of primer. But before we get to that, step number 1, break time. Okay folks, this is what it looks like after 3 coats of primer. It's looking awesome. I just need to cut in the edges. But before we finish that up, let's take a look at the garden. folks, I finished trimming out the wall. We're gonna save the cultivate acts of kindness. Ran to the hardware store and got 5 sheets, 1.5" foam board and some 1x3 by 8 feet lumber. And in next week's video, we're gonna start on the wall. So don't forget to catch the next update. If you like this video, please watch another one. And thanks for watching.